Hey guys, it's Danson DIY Idol, and today
we're gonna unbox and set up a Miracle-Gro garden to go. So this will allow us to have some fresh vegetables all year round by keeping this inside. So we hope you stick around and see the complete setup. First up for us was to take a look at the instructions provided on the box. The first step was to add some water to the included planting medium in the pot. So we went ahead and poured the water in, and we actually found the expansion of the planting medium so satisfying that we included it in here for you so you can enjoy as well. Once it's expanded, the next step is to go ahead and fluff the material up to give yourself good contact for the seeds when planting. So we went ahead, fluffed it up, and as you'll see here, we'll go ahead and speed up that process so you don't have to see us fluff all the material. We then took the included seed packet and began to plant those evenly around the planting material. Be sure to stick around to hear some father and son conversation, which was really deep, which we've included as part of the planting process. Let us know in the comments below what you would plant if you had one of these kits yourself.
Just smooth it. Like you're decorating a cake. Nice and smooth.
we're like putting like on shaving cream.
Okay. I wouldn't know what that's like anymore.
You wouldn't know what that's like in general. I do.
I used to shave once upon a time.
So you had to buy woman shaving cream?
No, I did not buy woman's shaving cream.
Oh.
Man shaving cream.
I didn't know that was a thing.
Yeah. Because again, you don't know me having shaved.
I know your beard getting shaved.
That's trimmed. That's not shaved. Alright, you ready?
We hope you enjoyed.
And if you did, have a great day.